Welcome to the Pist Alignment Workshop.
Bonjour. Yes, it's been quite a while since we've we've had a look at this one, and due to our workshop being a bit crammed at the moment, this is about as much as you're going to see, I'm afraid. We are in the middle of a storm right now, so the sound quality probably is going to be shite. But we're here, we're committed anyway.
To the cause.
Yes. This, of course, is our Terrot 100 from those.
Pan it round.
Yeah, I'll have to grab it.
What about the camera?
Yeah, and afterwards as well. Yeah, for those who have seen the previous episodes, this was, well, it wasn't even a bike, was it? It was a box of bits. We were just receiving some new bits in the post.
Yes, unpacking, boxing.
Yes,
unboxing.
Yeah.
See previous videos.
Yes.
Donkey's getting excited.
Well, yeah, we've done that, and it's come along leaps and bounds really since the last time you saw it. So we've now got. Oh, I've lost me Johnny's.
Oh no.
Well, they're down there now. Yes. The engine is complete. It is, isn't it?
Huh?
The engine's complete.
Yes,
isn't it?
yes,
yeah,
yes.
the engine's complete bar
Yes.
exhaust pipes at the moment.
Yes.
The bike is there. We've got the nice tank with the suicide shifter, which is very fetching. That's cool. Girder forks, they've all been painted up now and stuff. We've got a nice big headlight in the front. You can just see the half of it.
Big ass head.
Yeah, big ass in there. We've got our new solo seat. She is brand new because the previous one just rotted out and we're left with a frame. So we've got a nice new one on there.
Is it attached?
Yeah, it looks it.
Oh.
Nice. Yes, but all of it looks pretty good, and it looks like a motorbike. And we've had it running, and it's very exciting. It's a shame that we can't show you that right now. But
No, because the fuel tank's over there on that one.
yes, yeah, with our auxiliary fuel tank, Donkey's loving it. Yeah, new crew member.
Remember? Hey, Donkey!
So,
Hang on, his
It
ears
does-
are pierced.
it doesn't help to how cramped we are in here, and so I'm like sat on a stool right down here. I've got a donkey over my shoulder.
Well, he takes a lot of hay that you don't keep. He ain't cheap.
No, that's what it is. We've had to get rid of the bikes. We've got a bloody stable now.
Yep.
So, this is it. Also, our bloody tripod from our camera is missing.
Yes.
So, we're winging this a bit on the production show. We're precariously balanced with our camera. Yeah, someone left it at home. So, yes, this is our Terrot. That's Donkey.
Donkey! Yeah.
What I'll do is I'll move and then show you a bit more of the bike so you can get a proper walk around. Obviously, it's nowhere near complete yet. We've got loads of more work to do. But
Looks like you're getting wet, my old son, because I've finished mine.
On that note, we'll have a look around the bike.
Right, here we go.
Sorry about the dodgy handheld camera action.
He's had a drink.
Yeah. So this is the bike in a bit more better look. As you can see, some of it's nice and shiny and painted. Other bits are still rusty. That's the number plate hanger in there. Number plate hanger. Well, it's older, really, isn't it? What is it? Yeah, older. We unboxed that
And backlight.
many moons ago. Backlight. Come in. I like the stands on these. There's something. Hey! Stop that. Yeah, I like the stands on these. They'll kick down under the rear wheel. Very vintage. And a rack on the back for your
Donkey.
Donkey. that new seat.
The donkey's nipples hanging out.
It is, isn't it? So we have a zoom in on the donkey's nipple.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Nipple shot for the haters. And the vegans.
Yeah, and the vegans, that's it. It's our engine. Yeah, like I said, we've had that running. We'll show you that soon, hopefully. Onto the tank with that suicide shift. That's Morph.
You are?
That's Morph.
Yeah.
And round. That's our headlight there. Yeah, cool that, isn't it? And out. This is so precarious at the moment. And yeah, that's the front end and the headlight. You can't really see that, but sod it. Right. Back to the right way around. So that's the progress on the Terrot.
Donkey! Oh, yeah! Oh, Donkey! Oh, you're doing it for me, man! Oh, yeah! Oh, God! Oh, that's it, I've finished. Oh, God, that's better. I need to put the trousers up there. Yeah, that's got eye in the back.
So was it raining?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look down the back of his legs, look. No wonder he's smiling.
Yeah, look at that, look.
Yeah.
Right. Terrot, French. Looking good. Like and subscribe. Find us on Facebook.
See you again soon.
Yeah. Check out all the other videos.
Yes.
Thank you and good night.
Yeah.